Hello guys, we are Teammate and we would like to present our project to you. We like to call it Manage Events Easy, as you can see. But before that, let me introduce the team members to you. From the left, here is Rohit, Manish, me, that is Sanjeev, Vardhan, and Rishikesh. So without further ado, let's start exploring. So this is the main page of our project. It's typically an event management system. The current event hosted here is Atmos, the annual technical fest of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. So as you can see, there's a brief description of the event and a few related images. So let us see what happens when we sign up. So we can fill out these details and sign up as either a participant or as a volunteer. I've already created these accounts and without wasting time, let's sign in as a participant. Bhavik here is a participant. He has his subscriptions and he can see the list of all programs present here. He can go to any program and view the details of the program like the name, description, time, date, venue, even the announcements, the activity manager, and the contact details. He can subscribe to any program he wishes to. Once subscribed, the subscribed program is added to his dashboard under My Subscriptions. He can also view the notification for any subscribed program. Notification redirects you to the program page where you can see the announcements in recent ones appearing at the top. Now let us sign in as a volunteer. So as you can see, Varun here is a volunteer. A volunteer's page looks pretty much like the participant, but he has got an additional role. He is a volunteer, so he needs to be assigned tasks by the program managers. He too can subscribe to events and participate in them, but additionally, there is a My Tasks list which gets updated as program managers keep assigning tasks to the volunteers. So now let's sign out and view the admin functions. So let's go to an event, say random, and so since he is an admin, he is also by default the program manager for all programs. So he can change, for example, edit the name of the program and any of the other details. He can also add announcements to the program. So he can also do this task of managing volunteers. So let's add a task to Varun. Let's say Varun, meet at, yeah, it's already filled, so meet at F207 on the 15th May, say. So let's add this task. So once this task is added, this should show up on Varun's dashboard as well. Say we want to assign the same task to one more person, let's say Muzaffar. We can do that as well. Now let's add a different task for Varun. and you will see soon why I am doing this. Sorry about that. Yeah, so we added two tasks to Varun, uh, and these tasks were given to Muzaffar as well. So when suppose this task is given to several volunteers at a stretch. So once the task is completed, it's difficult to delete it from each and every volunteer separately. So for example, we can delete a single task if it's given to a single volunteer, but suppose if the task is given to multiple volunteers, just deleting it once is sufficient and it is deleted from all the volunteers. I'm keeping this now so that we can see when we go back to the Varun's dashboard that this task is added. Let's now add a new program. Let's call it Encrypton. Remembering that the admin is the only person who is given the authority to add a new program itself. Of course, these descriptions and other details can be changed later by the program as a manager, which I'll assign now. So let's assign Varun itself. So here, actually, one of the volunteers is assigned can be only assigned as the program manager. He can choose to add these details, and he may not even. And the program manager has the authority to change these details if he likes to. You can also set a participation cap, and so let's add a program, and yeah, and as you can see that it's added to the programs list right here. Let's now sign out and look at what has changed in Varun's dashboard. So as you can see, we changed the program name to random2, and we had added this task, the clean the room quickly, which is now showing up on Varun's dashboard. Also, we made Varun the program manager for the newly added program Encrypton. So if Varun clicks on any other event, he sees the same page as the participant. But if he clicks on the program for which he is the program manager, he sees the program manager page, because now he is the program manager for this program and can add different details. So let's add an announcement. So he can add an announcement now, and this announcement will be visible to all the participants as well for this program. So now let's go back to the admin page and view the remaining functionalities of the admin. Along with adding a new program and being the program manager of all programs, the admin can also see the users list. And as you can see, Bhavik is here, so is Varun, and everyone else. Let's now finally look at the administrative dashboard, which gives the admin further details of what's going around in his site. As you can see, this dashboard basically shows us the ratio between the number of participants and number of volunteers, the traffic in our website, and it also here there's a bar graph showing the number of announcements and tasks for various programs. Here's a list of the programs, and you can see the total number of pending tasks, and some of the tasks are shown here. Now let us go back. Let us go back to the admin dashboard. So, guys, this was Manage Events Easy. Hope you enjoyed our demonstration. For any queries, feel free to contact us. Here are our contact details. Thank you very much and have a good day.